Hello, welcome to Southern Handmade. My name is Patrick. I'm so glad you're here. I like to sculpt Pokemon, and I've been sculpting the original 151 Pokemon on my stream, twitch.tv/southernhandmade. And today, we're sculpting Ivysaur. Let's get to the sculpt. So I started by rolling out a ball of aluminum foil, roughly the size of the body I wanted to make. I covered it with a thin layer of clay in order to make sure that the body was smooth and complete and ready to add some limbs. I rolled out a ball, roughly the size of the head I wanted, and then blended it into the body to attach it. I made two equally sized tubes of clay for the front legs and blended them into the body roughly where the shoulders would connect to the neck. When they were in a good position, I blended them in all the way around and attached the second leg. I made two identical legs for the back legs, slightly smaller than the first, so that they would sort of stand with the front legs standing forwards, and blended them into the body as well. Once I was happy with the positions, it was time to start working on the face. I used a ball stylus to make two eye sockets, roughly where I thought they would be. And then I blended a thin strip of clay along the front to make the top lip of the mouth. Once blended, I was happy. I just did a little detail work here and there, trying to make the mouth a little bit more complete. Then I took two balls of clay to make eyes. Once the eyes were in place, it was time to take small strips of clay and to wrap the eyes with the eyelids along all three sides, sort of making a triangular shape. The top eye was extra thick to make the eyebrow impression. I also decided to thicken the bottom eye just to make the eyes pop a little bit more, so I added an extra strip of clay to blend it into the jaw. I took two tiny triangles and stabbed them into the mouth for his teeth. And lastly, I made two triangle shapes for the ears that were roughly longer on one side so that they sort of had a flat surface, and then blended long ways into the head. Once we were done there, it was time to make four leaves for the bulb on top of his back. So I cut them out using my roller from a flattened piece of clay. I made four identical pieces. Began working slowly but surely with my X-Acto knife to cut out triangles to help make the leaf more leafy. Once they were all cut out, I also took a thin strip of clay to help make the center bone structure of the leaf. I guess it's a stem. And then blended that in as well on the one side. Once I had all four, I used aluminum foil to sort of shape them into places that I would like them to be, and they were ready to bake. The last thing I needed was for there to be a bulb, so I covered some aluminum foil with some clay, cut out thin strips, very much like I did on the previous Pokemon, in order to make the flower petals. And put that aside to bake as well. Last thing we needed to do on the body was to add the various and sundry markings. These are just made very simple shapes, anywhere and everywhere that seemed appropriate. Not too many, just enough for subtle details along all sides of the body, except of course where the bulb and the leaves were going to go. Last but not least, we added claws to the front of each of the paws, 3 claws per paw. And then we were ready to bake all these pieces, glue them together, paint them. Let's check out our final reveal. And there we go, we've got Ivysaur ready to enter our Pokedex. He's looking pretty fine. I really like the way this one turned out. I certainly liked the colors of the leaves, and yeah, it was a lot of fun to make. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you make your own, please share in the comments. You can also check out my Twitch at twitch.tv/SculptingHandmade. I made these every week. It's Pokemon Friday, 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Pokemon Fridays is Friday. I stream Tuesday to Friday. Come check out the channel. Love to see you there. There are tons of videos here on the channel for you to check out, so please make sure you poke around. If you like this video, hit like, hit subscribe, let me know. If you didn't like it, even let me know. Whatever, that's fine. We each have our own opinions. But look, either way, I'm glad you're here. Thanks for coming, and of course, till next time, keep being awesome.